Back to challenges. Today we are gonna be doing we have to find the fidgets. Yeah, we're playing find the fidgets, and whoever wins gets the purple dinosaur. It's a T-Rex, and he has T-Rexes. So it's not in 3, 2, 1. Okay, now find all the fidgets. Ooh.
Oh, I found one.
Yes, good job. Okay, your pile's over here. Put all your fidgets that you find over here. Actually, no, what? Just give them to me. Found this ignitable thing.
Oh, I found one.
No, that's not one. There's one. There's one. We'll be close to you. Ooh. Okay, nice. Thank you. No, it's not one. Okay. I will tell you there are some over
where?
Over here on the books. Yep. Okay, now you keep looking. So there's no more on the books. There's some over here. Here.
Oh, I found one.
Yep, give that to me. Okay, there's another one on this area.
It's a tangle here.
Yep, thanks. Okay, now there's some. Sorry, guys. There's some more over here. If you can see, maybe the camera will show you. No, it's on this stem. It's on that. Ooh, it's a squishy.
Ooh. Here.
Thank you. Okay, no more over here.
No, what else am I gonna?
Ooh, sorry about that. There's a lot over here. A lot. Wait, then we're coming near over here. Can you see any?
Here.
Yeah, thanks. This tangle. This thing. Thanks. Whoa, it's good.
Here's another one.
Sorry. Okay, so yeah. There's more right here. Maybe it's in the bin, maybe it's out. I can't tell you.
Where is it? Tell me, just tell me.
Okay, fine. Okay. There's some over here. Like here. To here, there's some.
In here. Another one.
Just found this tangle.
You said to here, right?
Yeah, but it doesn't mean there's any there. There's none there. Okay, so it's here to here.
No.
Zane, are you gonna double check that?
Yeah.
Yes. And this. Okay. There's this 10,000.
In here.
No. So there's some here
I found one.
to here. Look all the way up, Zane. Don't keep looking down. Look high. Look high. High is the way. High.
I found a blue one.
Now, yes. Blue and purple. Squeeze. Look high or high.
Don't put no.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Zane, look. Some here to here. Here. Okay, there's some here. So here. Okay, here.
Thank you.
You found it. Okay, he found all of them.
Good job, Zane.
Now what do I get? The dinosaur?
Not yet. We have to go through all the things.
Zane, that's what we just.
Okay, so first he got this thing.
No, I think I need to find more fidgets.
No, there's no more. There's
That's what we just done.
this.
Now I get the dinosaur.
Yep.
You should. That's what she said.
This.
She's a woman of her word. Excuse me.
So are you, but you're actually not.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, I am.
Foggy.
Everything I said, I said. We just...
Fog.
Zane, get over here, please. Hold over.
Po-
Well, you don't need to come to the movies with us then.
Robert and Zoe.
No, I'm talking about you.
Back.
Zoe, she's not coming with us.
No, I am.
No, I don't man her. I don't keep my word. That's a lot.
Then you don't keep your word to Zane either.
I'm taking Zane, I'm not taking you.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
Whatever. And then we have
Not when
this
you're mean to
one.
me.
I'm perfectly fine too. Then
You
we
know
have
about it?
these. They're
You know
like
about it?
basically the same thing. I don't know what the names exactly are. Mini Neatos.
Wait for me.
I have 3, but my mom had
Wait.
one.
No,
The
not me.
Go. Go, I'm gonna smack your butt.
my brother's my brother's not wearing any clothes. Okay, I got the DNA ball. Thingy do. I forget the name of it soon. Puppet! Oh, oh! Wait, Zane, there's another one. But I'll take it out just for you. Yeah, but you didn't. But you still didn't own both of the prizes. I was gonna make a plot twist, but I couldn't. This unicorn one, you can't be in the video though, cause he's not wearing any clothes. See, you didn't find this.
What's it at?
Right under the Superman, but its horn was sticking out.
I could see that.
Its horn was literally sticking out.
Crap on it. Some like books over there.
Can you just put it back so I can find it?
I think
No.
we found enough.
This one, I don't know what that's called. Then this squishy hamburger I colored. So that's all the fidget Zane found. Anyone the dinosaur toy. So that's it.
Woody up.
So bye.